Hello, this is Phil Storage from Learn to Agile. Today I will be demonstrating tips for FeldCamp marketing on how to improve collaboration in the workplace. First are meetings. We all have to have meetings to check up on progress between coworkers, right? So as it currently stands, in-person meetings happen about every 2 weeks among project managers and clientele at FeldCamp. A good tip to take note of would be to have meetings more often with your coworkers and clientele. Communicate with each other, let each other know what the statuses are for each of the projects that you're working on with the clients. Talk about any issues that may be going on and what you're going to do to solve them. Easing in more meetings than once every 2 weeks will be a good start. So don't be hard pressed in the beginning to start meetings every day. Speaking of which, something you can ease your way into would be to have daily stand-up meetings so you know what still needs to be worked on, any obstacles getting or not getting addressed, and any further aspects of client management or engagement. It might seem like they would eat up a lot of time, but they're no more than 10-15 minutes a day, and in the long run, it will be highly beneficial to the company. Retrospectives are also an additional collaboration technique that you can use to reflect on how to improve projects for the future. For a retrospective, you begin talking about the achievements you've made and the lessons that you've learned along the way. You rotate this between coworkers after the completion of a project so that you can improve the overall quality of and the project as well as the satisfaction. For virtual collaboration, there is the ever-popular Slack application. Currently, your company is using Microsoft Teams. When you instant message on Teams, there is virtually no organization with the instant messaging like there is with the emails. This app brings communication and collaboration between your coworkers into one place. When you aren't at an in-person meeting, you're communicating through Slack. It's a one-size-fits-all, and it doesn't matter if you're a grand enterprise or a small business. Slack allows for clear video and voice chatting, keeping your coworkers connected, voting polls, being able to switch teams and add new members effectively on the fly. Please leave a comment on the comment page to let us know what you thought of this video and how to improve your company's collaboration techniques. Thank you.